Hello, my name is Langdon Chandler, and today we'll be making our zucchini pineapple bread.
First, you need to wash your zucchini and slice off both ends. Cut the zucchini into large chunks and grate. Measure the shredded zucchini by packing it firmly into a measuring cup. You will need 2 cups for this recipe. Drain one 15-ounce can of crushed pineapple and set it aside. In a large mixing bowl, combine 3 eggs, ½ cup vegetable oil, a ½ cup of unsweetened applesauce, 1 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 cups of shredded zucchini, a 15-ounce can of crushed pineapple. In a separate bowl, stir together 1½ cups of whole wheat flour, 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1½ teaspoons of ground cinnamon, a 3/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Slowly add your dry ingredients to the zucchini mixture and mix well. Pour the batter into 2 greased loaf pans. Bake your bread for about 1 hour or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean.
So here's our finished product, a warm loaf of zucchini pineapple bread.
Eat, Move, Save.